Welcome to Wilton Manors. From the drive, our featured property is easily accessible through a beautiful neighborhood of single-family homes. It is a quick walk to access Manor Grove from the north entrance, and Building J is immediately to your left. Very convenient. And here it is, 1940 Northeast 2nd Avenue. And your parking spot is right in front of the building. Now let's go inside and have a look. The first thing you'll notice is how well appointed and spacious it is. It's clean and ready to move in. Furniture is negotiable. The laminate floors extend through the hallway and the primary bedroom. There is a faux fireplace that has a heating element. Very nice for the few chilly nights that we have here in Florida. The hallways have been completely remodeled. Now this kitchen is very special. It is the largest kitchen because it has this countertop with a double sink, because the door that used to be on the right-hand side was closed off. The upgraded glass cabinets, stainless steel appliances, the backsplash, the stone countertops, they all give this home an upgraded feel. Those double ovens are perfect if you like entertaining, baking. The double doors for the refrigerator and the freezer at the bottom are an upgrade. And inside, it is pristine. Everything in this home has been thoroughly cleaned and is ready for you to move in. The privacy hallway brings you to the bedrooms and also the guest bathroom, which has an upgraded vanity, mirrors, lighting, and a walk-in shower. The newer air conditioner is in the ceiling in this bathroom. Now across this bathroom is your guest bedroom. This one has a pull-out sofa with impact windows that look out to a beautiful courtyard, and it has a generous size closet. Internet streaming is included in the fee. It's a spacious room, perfect for your guests. To the left, we have the primary bedroom, and it's huge. It has these built-in drawers and TV, washer and dryer in the unit. Please note that the washer is not working and it is not included in the sale. Also upgraded vanity, upgraded medicine cabinet. So the dryer is in working condition, and it is a Bosch brand. Another walk-in shower in the ensuite bath for the primary bedroom. The great thing is that you are allowed to have your washer and dryer. These built-ins are great because you don't have to have a lot of other furniture clutter in the room, and there's plenty of drawer space. The large walk-in closet houses the new water heater. Very spacious walk-in closet. And there is another closet in the hallway for linens. The property also includes a storage, and in each floor there is a laundry room, which is kept very clean and is easily accessible from a phone app. So when you see it in person, what you see is what you get. And here is your spectacular courtyard view with mature trees. There's a ceiling fan out here with a light, impact windows, impact door. Just a beautiful place to call home at Manor Grove, Phase 4. And this is what you're going to be looking at. All of the bedrooms face this beautiful courtyard. Now there are tennis courts as part of the amenities. They are very well kept, as you can see. The landscaping is beautiful and lush. There is a maintenance person on premise. And you also have the lines for pickleball, as it has become such a popular sport lately. And here you have the clubhouse. Only Phase 4 has access to the clubhouse. The buildings out in the front do not. So let's go right in. A pool table, TV, sitting area, library, 2 bathrooms with 2 saunas. It's just a great place to gather and a great place to entertain. There is a full kitchen in the clubhouse, which has a full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, ovens, simply perfect for having gatherings. Stone countertops and backsplash, wood cabinets, beautiful finishes. And the property manager visits the property once a week, and you'll notice how well kept it is and very well managed. The property has, at this moment, fully funded reserves, and all inspections have been done. Great place for playing cards, gathering, or if you just need a change of scenery. The 2 bathrooms have showers. And let's take a look at the sauna. It's nice and large, and this is one of 2 saunas. All of this is included in your maintenance fees. And here we are, the pool, right alongside the river. The chairs are new, tables, umbrellas. The deck has also been refinished, and there are brand new grills in this area as well. So if you want to come on down and throw something on the Barbie for dinner, you're all set. These are gas grills. And it's just beautiful here. You're going to really enjoy it. You can also go for a walk along the water. And that's salt water, by the way. We're fairly east from here. Oh, and I forgot to mention, there is a designated car wash